my name is Andrew from KonaSearch, and today we're going to install the KonaSearch app from the AppExchange into our org. First, I log into the org. Then I go to the AppExchange Marketplace through Setup. I choose Apps, enter KonaSearch. Here is the app. Click on it. Click the Get It Now button. Open login screen. And you can install in a sandbox, or you can install in the org that we are currently logged into. And we're going to do that today. Salesforce requires a certain little bit of information. Agree to the terms. Confirm and install. Let's install for all users. The websites you see here host your private KonaSearch index. There is a connection that will be established in configuration between your org and these sites. We'll talk a little bit more detail about that in the configuration segment. For now, select them and continue. The installation may take some time. If so, then wait until Salesforce sends you an email to say that the app has been installed in your org. Hi everyone, we're back and the app is now installed, and you can see that under the app menu. Just type in Kona and there it is. As you can see, there are two apps in the drop-down menu. The one with the large icon is for Lightning, and the one with the small text is for Classic. The app is now up, and you can see here that the only thing you can do first is to authenticate. We'll talk more about the authentication and the rest of the configuration in our configuration training video. Thank you very much, and if you have any questions, please contact us at info@konasearch.com or at help@konasearch.com.